This is S.P.Saranya, Department of Pharmacy, working at Dr.S.N.S.RCAS College of Arts and Science. Today we are going to see about the wireless body area network, that shortly called WBAN. So what is meant by wireless body area network? The technology of sensors, the pervasive computing and intelligent information processing is widely used in body sensor networks, which are branch of wireless sensor networks. So it is one of the type of wireless sensor network. DSSN are playing an increasingly important role in the fields of medical treatment, social welfare and sports, and are changing the way of humans use computers. So existing, we have placed the emphasis on the accept the architecture of DSN, signal appreciation, and then, for example, sensor node monitors different parameters. So wireless body area network is for health monitoring and reporting of patient economically. It consists of a collection of miniaturized, multifunctional and energy efficient wireless sensor nodes to monitor the human body functions and its surroundings. So sensor node is a tiny device. It equips the battery and monitors different parameters, and its coordinator node is aggregating and relaying the device. So monitored data is transmitted from coordinator node to the access point, that's shortly called AP. It's for further post-processing usage. And a WBAN, a sensor node, has the following fundamental components. They are sensing unit, processing unit, analog digital unit converter, power unit, and the communication unit, radio transceiver, and memory storage unit. The next diagram I show you how to human body accommodate the body sensor networks. So this is the wireless sensor network. Coordinator node, green signal is the green highlight is the coordinator node. Orange symbol is the wireless sensor node, and this is a wireless signal transmitter. And the next slide, the body sensor network research is still faces many key technology challenges. That is this research work on sensor design, and this mainly focuses on the variability of sensor nodes, the capacity of fault diagnosis and fault treatment. So, for example, of wireless sensor node, body wireless sensor is our smartwatch is also one of the example. So the general architecture is played based on the body collect physical data and perform preliminary processing. The data are gathered by a sync node and then transmitted to a base station in order to share the information to the internet, which is the basics of many applications, including healthcare system, social welfare, and patient-centric services. It diagnoses the services by doctors and medical experts, and the emergency treatment system, etc. So this example summarizes the variability of sensor nodes, the capacity of fault diagnosis and fault treatment, energy consumption, and sensor deployment, etc. The aspect of data fusion research mainly includes the design and implementation of the dynamic feature extraction and data classification, data compressions, and other key technologies. A growing number of situational awareness and data fusion technologies in the activity recognition the area, so that we made detailed investigation on body sensor network architecture, signal processing, communication protocols, context awareness, and quality of services also. And then these EEG sensor is represent the key components of connect the physical world with the electronic system. They are mainly used to collect the information about the psychology and the surrounding environment. Sensor node, which have a sensor as their main part, are responsible for processing information by format conversion, logical computing, data storage, and transmitting. So one sensor node is generally comprises the sensor module, processor module, wireless communication module, and power supply module. So the sensor module is responsible for collecting the all status of measurements and converting data from physical quantities to electronic signals. So physical data is converted to the electronic data in this stage. The processor module is responsible for controlling the sensor nodes. So nodes are hooking into the um, sensor controllers, and the wireless communication module consisting of a network layer, MAC layer, and the wireless transceiver in the physical layer. So these layers are responsible for communication among and the computers. The power supply module is responsible for providing energy for entire sensor node. So finally, we conclude our body wireless sensor network